Hello, this is Shari Fuller from Thimbles and Acorns. Today I am going to show you how to make a buttonhole template from freezer paper that will help you make evenly spaced straight rows of buttonholes. Taking the time to make this template will relieve the anxiety of ruining a project with poorly made buttonholes. Even better, a template made from freezer paper can be used again and again. To make the freezer paper template, you will need freezer paper, pencil, ruler, scissors, and a rotary cutter. Later, you will also need an iron to apply the template to your project. Sew a sample buttonhole for the button you want to use on a scrap of fabric to determine the actual length of your buttonhole. Make any adjustments you need at this point. Use your rotary cutter to cut a strip of freezer paper the same width as your buttonhole foot. Draw a line down the center of the strip of freezer paper. Draw a line 1/8 inch from each side of the center line. The width between these lines is the standard width of a buttonhole. Using the measurements from your sample buttonhole, determine the buttonhole spacing for your project. Draw horizontal lines indicating the top and bottom of each buttonhole on the template, spacing them accordingly. Mark each buttonhole section. Fold the template in half along the center line, right side out. Carefully cut each buttonhole out with the scissors. Your freezer paper buttonhole template is now complete. Trim any unnecessary length from your template. With the plastic side of the template down, position the template on your project. Use the center line of the template to help with the alignment. Press the freezer paper with a hot iron so that it adheres to your project. Check the positioning. If you are unsatisfied with the alignment, simply peel the freezer paper back, reposition it, and press again. Once you have the template in place, you're ready to sew your buttonholes. Starting with the bottom buttonhole, position the template so that the needle lands 1/8 inch from the bottom edge of the buttonhole opening. This leaves room for the bottom bar tack of the buttonhole. Adjust the template so that the side edges are aligned with your buttonhole foot. Stitch. Repeat this process for each buttonhole, working from the bottom up. Trim the excess threads and carefully peel the freezer paper template from your project. If you are careful not to tear it, you can reuse the template several times. Look! Beautiful, straight and even. With just a little preparation, you can make anxiety-free buttonholes.